I've been coming to the Cyberlicious events. I guess it's been about 6 months now.
Okay.
Shortly after I signed on with Cyberlicious, one of the things that was a bonus was that they offered these seminars, which I know for me has been invaluable to educate me on what it is that we need to do and invest in our company coming, not only now but in the future. You know, it's sort of, you don't know what you don't know. So what Ben and Sarah have been really helpful with is helping us develop matrix and measurables so we can really gauge our ROI, and determining what we're investing in is really having a positive impact on our business or not. For people that have hit our website, have more than tripled in the last year. We've seen people staying longer, and the little amount of work that we've already done on our social media fronts right now has already seen a huge benefit. So yeah, great. I couldn't have asked for a better partner.